Hi, how are you doing? It's been a while since I started researching for the crypto, and yesterday was the day when I couldn't resist and bought my first few cryptocurrency, and it was Cardano. And there is a very much sort of excitement when you get into the world of cryptocurrencies, and it's so much volatile and so much potential is there to grow in the future that sometimes you just wake up in the middle of the night to check the prices. But it shouldn't be the case, as they say, do not be a day trader, because day traders are the one who sell it when the price is going down and buy when it's going up and end up making losses. And for their mistakes, it's the wise investor who makes profit, and who always thinks long term. He doesn't get defatted by these small aberrations, these small noises that do not have long term implications. They just see it from behind, they buy when prices dips. In fact, there's chaos in the market, and as slang goes by in the Wall Street, it says buy when there's blood on the streets. So that is one of the things that goes by the investor who is wise and foresighted and is long-term focused. If you want to make money and just want to grow your money, do not think you can become rich overnight. You have to invest wisely, do your necessary research, try to understand what is it, what is the risk involved, why this thing or this entity or this company is better, how many people are working behind it, what are their portfolios, what is their R&D expenditure, are they having any plans for the future, or what are the real world solutions they are providing, what are their competitors, what are they doing, how are their credentials, how are people talking about it or have perceptions about it on YouTube, on Twitter, on Reddit. Even these simple sites sometimes gives you another view that is really important, because many a times I've seen people investing and losing money, and then someone says, you don't know this thing about. I mean, this was known by everyone, Tom, Dick and Harry. How on earth you skipped by not knowing, and you were investing money and you were so much blinded by the chart growing up that you just invested the money, and in the end you ended up losing. And it was all in control. You could have put all things, all your investment under your control. And one of the most important line is invest only which you can afford to lose. You should never invest your entire savings on these stocks, on these volatile markets which are subjected to gain or even lose the price and eventually making you rag. So that won't be the wise choice to do. And before you jump into anything, try to get into the depth of what is the reason, how it's working, how it's not. I first entered into cryptocurrencies by the saying, by when my friend discussed about this, that this is something that you should really be excited about. The train is going fast forward, and if you do not jump right into it, you're going to lose a lot of money. Not lose, but there will be chances of going into it, developing with it, which is really because early ones are the real gainers from that investment. When I compare the prices of 2013, now it feels nothing. It was selling for $1, $5, $100, and the thing that is selling for $54,000, it was hardly $30 or $40 that time, and it was 5-6 years ago. And until the last day of March, before it was the surge of COVID cases, almost all of the currencies were 1 by 10th as it's present. So you can imagine how fast the cryptocurrencies are expanding, because the revolution just happens. You cannot stop an idea from giving the power to the people. Decentralization is the main concept. The Bitcoin, it works in proof of work, and what it does is it gains its strength from the persons working on it. It treats them, it incentivizes them by giving them rewards in the form of a block, in the form of a Bitcoin. So that is how rather the hacker will think, why don't I invest my energy into the one earning it rather than hacking someone's money. So the solution is so much of foolproof, though it's uh, consuming a lot more energy, which can become a major concern in the future. But you would never say that this thing has to be like that, to be in that manner only. This will work out, but as of now, it looks, it's really promising and nothing can stop it, and the idea has come. That's all from my side today. There you go. Bye.